New Zealand, China, India, Greece, Germany, Bolivia, Brazil, and USA. We never met before, we just communicated about the internet, Facebook and WhatsApp, and 3 days before the camp we met us for the first time, but I think it was a pretty cool team.
That's our mission logo. Here you see an astronaut, that's from the logo from the space camp. Then you see the SLS rocket. This rocket represents our our future. And then you can see the flags. The flags presents the countries where our team members are from. Here the stars. One star is for one team member. And Jeske von Puttkammer made it possible that we are in the space camp and here at the NASA Rover Challenge.
At the space camp we did a lot of simulation. For example, this is the 1/6 chair. It presents the gravity at the moon. It was really cool because we can jump very high and test the different steps the astronaut made at the moon. This is the MAT, the multi-axis trainer. It just turns you around upside down and it's very confusing, but I think it's very important for an astronaut too. And over here is the MMU, the Manned Maneuvering Unit. It's the backpack which astronauts have when they're doing an EVA, for example, at the space station.
Okay, living in the space camp. The space camp looked like a real moon station. This is a habitat, also it names habitat, and it has 3 floors, one for the girls, one for the boys, and one for all. Here you can see greenhouses. There are plants inside, and that's also a real
Of course, teamwork was very important, so we did a lot of exercises to improve our teamwork. For example, here we were in a forest and did some exercises, and we also were climbing inside a big hole, and yeah, that's just a few of our exercises. We did every day a lot of them, but at the end of the camp we were a very good team.
The water training. By the water training we must build a team and build this instruction. We had 5 minutes to finish it, but we finished it in 6 minutes. But we finished it and we are a team. That's the important in the space camp.
Of course, for a space mission you also need a rocket. That's why we designed one over here. We learned first about spacecraft and how they are flying in the space and everything. So we designed them. Then we also designed heat shields because I think it's one of the important parts of a rocket. Some of them weren't that good, so the astronaut wouldn't be dead, but there were also some good working heat shields. And in the end, we started our 4 rockets and no rocket broke, so I think it was okay.
The moon mission Orion. We had two missions, one in the Orion capsule and one in the mission control. The mission control, you must stay there and see it is all. In the Orion capsule, you must make experiments and Außenbordeinsatz.
EVAs.
Sorry.
EVAs.
My English is bad.
Yeah, next year we want to start a Jeske von Puttkammer Space Camp mission again. So if you have any students in your team in the age of 12 to 14 years old and they are space interested, come and join our Space Camp mission. You can come to us or to Ralf Heckel for contact, and yeah, I think it is a really cool experience and everybody should have done this.
Thank you very much for your attention.
Can you just go back? Mikrofon?